Now we're ready to begin. And this is the story of the three little pigs. Coming up onto our knees, arms wide, and wrap them up in a big giant hug. Oh, now my little piglets, you take care. Off you go. And be careful that that big bad wolf doesn't catch you. And we go, ow! The three little pigs set off, squelching through the sticky mud. We walk our hands all the way back and roll up to stand. Down onto one knee, hands to our heart, and lift our arms up above our head. We rock forwards and backwards, going like a horse. Oh, hello there. It's George Pork here. Is that the brickyard? Oh, yeah, I need some bricks. Have you got any? Oh, you do? Wonderful. Yeah. Oh, you deliver. Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, I'd love some. All right then. Yeah, bye. He puts the phone down and George Pork sets to work with his woodchopper building pose to build his house of bricks. Coming up to stand, everyone. We stand with our feet nice and wide, crisscross our fingers behind our back and stretch our arms long behind us. Now, after 3, we fold forwards and we say build. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Build! Cupping our hands around our mouth, big breath in through our nose and blow. The house of straw comes tumbling down. Run! Into the woods to his brother Sam Sausage's house of sticks for you. And we don't need to be afraid of any big bad wolves because they're not real. It is just a story. But this story is quite good because it teaches us lots of things. It teaches about what are good to build from, things like straw and sticks not being very strong at all. But the bricks were strong. And yes, it took a lot longer to build the house of bricks, but it was worth it in the end. Things that are made to last often do take longer to do, but it's worth all the effort. And wasn't it wonderful how the pigs worked together, how they looked out for each other, protected each other? We can do that for each other too. And also how the wolf saw the error of his ways and decided to be a better wolf. A wolf that gets on with everyone. Slowly now, we begin to wake up, wiggling our toes and wiggling our fingers.